how to draw an irregular shape from the rectangle. First of all, activate free snap, snap on grid, snap on endpoints, snap middle, snap center, and snap intersection. Now create a rectangle. Select rectangle tool, left click to create a rectangle on our screen. Use your mouse scroll, click your mouse scroll to pen or paper drawing. Now select add node, click on the shape on the line which one you want to add a node, and bring the node far from the shape. Right click and select add node again. Left click on the shape. I will deactivate snap on grid and free snap. Before continue, click on the shape on the line you want to add a node, and bring the node far from the shape. Maybe activate free snap and snap on grid, more easy to draw. Bring the node like here. We also can move node to create our irregular shape. Now we will add dimension to this shape. Select dimension horizontal, left click here and here, and bring the dimension I think I will change the dimension preferences. Click drawing preferences dimension, and I only change the general scale. It will change all of dimension preferences. I change the number to 5 and click OK. Now select vertical dimension, add vertical dimension here. Very easy. Now select align dimension to add dimension for a non-straight line. Now I will add a hatch. Select the shape and click hatch and select the pattern. I choose RGONC, Arcon, and set the scale and click OK. Now I have an irregular shape with hatch pattern RCONC, Arcon. Okay, I think That's all for today. Thank you very much. See you next time.